Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to help students build numbers to understand place value. When students can see and touch the structure of numbers, they truly understand what those digits mean. Let's start by looking at the blocks themselves. The smallest base 10 block is just this tiny little cube, and this is going to represent 1. When drawing our representation of base 10 blocks, we tend to use a dot for 1, and we call it a unit. So a single dot would be 1 unit. Next, we would have 10 of these little cubes that connect to make a longer rectangle, and this is going to represent 10. When drawing our base 10 blocks, we tend to denote this by just a straight line, and we call it a long. We can then connect 10 longs to make this kind of flat square that represents 100. When drawing base 10 blocks, we tend to denote this by a square, and we call it a flat. Finally, 10 flats make up this 10 by 10 by 10 cube that represents 1,000. When drawing our base 10 blocks, we will draw this as a cube, and it tends to be called a carton. Each step grows by 10. That's our base 10 system in action. Now let's build a number, 374. Here we see 3 hundreds, we see 7 tens, and we see 4 ones. Each place is 10 times the one to its right. When students physically build this, they connect symbol to quantity. That's real understanding. You're doing great. This is where mathematical ideas become visible. Let's practice a regroup. We have our 374 right here, and let's suppose we want to add 6 more. Now we have 10 ones, so that's another 10. So we want to kind of erase this and replace it with one of our longs. That makes our number 380. We could redraw it as 3 squares and 8 lines. That's place value at work. Fantastic work. Modeling numbers builds true understanding of place value and sets the foundation for addition, subtraction, and decimals. In the next video, we'll look at how students can think flexibly about place value to solve problems mentally. Keep encouraging that hands-on exploration. It's the heart of great math teaching.